Hi, and welcome to another Sunday sit down. I'm trying this new app called Loom. But today I want to talk about adversity and facing adversity. So, we all have challenges in our life that we have to face, and sometimes they're not the easiest to overcome, right? And so, I just wanted to, say, I don't know what it's like to be you, and you don't know what it's like to be me. But we both know what it feels like to feel pain and to feel sadness and to experience loss and things like that. So I just want to know, can we relate? All right. So one thing that is kind of disheartening for me recently is like we have 355 people in the Facebook mindset, or sorry, the finance mindset group on Facebook, and I'm grateful for everybody that showed up. And but one thing that's really saddening to me is that 114 people have seen this post, but only a couple people have actually engaged with it, right? And so I'm a little sad because I really, really, really need your guys' help. All right, so my book, Make a Payment, here. I have it in my hands. I'm showing you here on Amazon. I only have 66 reviews. Now, the average rating is great. I'm very satisfied with that. But I need more reviews. So out of 350 people, I know a lot of these reviews didn't come from people that are in the group, and I know that some of these only a handful actually did. So for you guys that are in the group, please send me a DM. I'll send you a free copy, a digital ebook version if you want. You don't have to actually go buy it on Amazon to leave a review on Amazon. So, but I really need to get that above triple digits. It's one of the things that's going to separate, success from failure. Sure, I'll get to triple digits eventually on its own, but with your guys' help, we can get there faster. Especially since I have a second book coming out at the end of this month. I really need this one to be all the way up into that triple digit review standing so that the second book I can focus more on promoting that one instead of trying to promote two at once. So that's the adversity that I'm facing right now. I would really appreciate if anybody sees this post, to go ahead and make a post of your own in the Facebook group. Don't just comment on other posts that you see, although I do want to see that. I want to see you guys, likes and shares and comments and posts of your own. The group is to here so that everybody can learn from each other and better their personal financial situation. Now, I'm a financial professional in the financial services industry, and all I care about is helping you guys achieve your financial goals. Okay. Now, I also would like it if you guys also helped me achieve my financial goals by, um, telling your friends about the group, telling your friends about the one-on-one calls that I do with you guys. I know there's a handful of you that are in my group that we've had sit downs and we've been able to create a financial plan for you guys. So, my whole goal is, like I said, I want to help people better understand how money works. And so, word of mouth is the best way to spread the word. So show your boys some love. I love every single one of you guys that are in this group, and I just want to see you guys all succeed financially. So let's get there together. Thank you so much for being here and for taking your time to watch the video all the way to the end. Thank you again, and take care.